The next part of the question might look something like this. So in this question, this is maybe more similar to what you would get asked in an assignment. We have to work out a calculation first. So we'd use a simple calculation here to do a takeaway. So a revenue, take away a cost, to find out whether the company's made a profit or a loss. So nice simple statement, we just use equals and then we click B2, take away C2, and that gives us our profit or loss. And we can replicate that down. In this question here, it says if the company has made a profit, they pay 20% of their profit as tax. If the company has made a loss, their tax paid is 0. So we can see here we've got one company who has made a loss, so they will pay 0. The question starts with if, so it gives me a really big clue that this is going to be an if statement. So I'm going to go up to my insert function box. I'm going to find if on the list, or I'm going to type it in and find it. And this time, our logical test is if D2 is greater than 0, because anything more than 0 is a profit. Even if they made 1 pence, that is still a profit. The value if true, now this is where it gets a little bit tricky because we have to use a calculation here. What we need to do is we need to take their profit and we need to times it by 20%, because that is how much they pay in tax. If the value is false, if they haven't made over 0, if their profit is not greater than 0, then they're going to pay 0 tax. And what we can do is we can replicate that down, and you'll be able to get your answers.